Hello everyone. In part 2, we learned about 2D shape or 2D objects, okay? In part 3, we are going to learn about properties of 2D shape, which means what are the special characters that we can find from each and every objects like this, okay? So let's get started now. And these are the common examples that I gave you last time for 2D shapes, okay? So now we will see what are the special characters that we can find from these objects, okay? And first I'll start from a square. As you can see there, as you can see here, it has all the four sides are equal in square. And also inside the square, we can have four angles. All of them measure same, which is 90 degree. And also in a square, we can find two pairs of parallel lines. Okay, these two are parallel to each other, and these two are parallel to each other. And also we can draw a diagonal line, which means this corner to this corner, we can draw a diagonal line. Likewise, here also we can draw a diagonal line. Okay, and these two lines are having equal length, and also they bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay, so here we can have 90 degree. So these are the common properties or special characters that we can find from the square. Okay. And for the rectangle, so as you can see here, opposite sides are equal. So these two sides are equal to each other. Likewise, here these two sides are equal to each other. And also inside the rectangle, we can have four interior angles, and all of them measure same, which is 90 degree. Okay. And in this rectangle also, we can draw a diagonal line from these two corners. And here also, we can draw a diagonal line, and they bisect each other here. Okay, so these are the properties that we can find from a rectangle. And also there's one more, and these two lines are parallel to each other in rectangle, and these two lines are parallel to each other. All right, and here is a rhombus, and here the rhombus has all the four sides are equal. And here also we can have two pairs of parallel lines. These two are parallel to each other. And here also we can have a parallel line. These two are parallel to each other. And also the diagonally opposite angles are equal. So here these two angles are equal to each other. And likewise these two angles are equal to each other. Okay. And also in a rhombus also we can draw a diagonal line from these two corners, and they bisect each other here. Okay, so these are the common properties or special characters that we can find in a rhombus. Okay, and the next one is a parallelogram. So in parallelogram also we can find two pairs of parallel lines. These two are parallel to each other, and here also these two are parallel to each other. Okay, and the opposite sides are equal, as you can see. And also diagonally opposite angles are equal. This angle is equal to this one, and these two are equal to each other. And also we can draw a diagonal line from these two corners, and they bisect each other here. Okay, so these are the common properties that we can find from a parallelogram. All right, and the next one is a kite. So kite has two equal obtuse angles. So obtuse angle means which is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So obtuse angle we can find from here in a kite. So these two are equal. And also kite has two unequal acute angles. Acute angle means which is less than 90 degree. So these angle types I discussed in part 1. So for further details, you can refer part 1 video. Okay. So as you can see here, these two are unequal and which is less than 90 degree. Okay, so less than 90 degree, and these two are not equal, so these two are unequal acute angles. Okay, and the next one is the trapezium. So where we can have one pair of parallel lines. Okay, so these two are parallel to each other. And the next one is the isosceles trapezium. So where we can have two sides are equal. So these two sides are equal, and also two pairs of angles. So these two are equal to each other, and these two are equal to each other. And also we can draw a line from here and here. These two are diagonal, and they say bisect each other. And also we can have one pair of parallel line. These two are parallel to each other. So this is the property or a special character that we can find from the isosceles trapezium. All right. And then next one is a circle. As you can see here, circle has three different parts. One is a circumference, that is the outer boundary here, or the length. Okay. And the next one is the radius. Okay, so that's a distance from the center of the circle to the boundary. So this is the center and to the boundary. So that distance is called as a radius. Okay, and the other one is the diameter. That is the longest possible line that we can draw inside the circle, and it goes to the center point of the circle. And also the diameter, that is twice the length of the radius. For example, if I say radius is 5 centimeter and the diameter will be twice the length of the radius. So it means that is 10 centimeter. Okay, so these are the common properties or the special characters that we can find from a circle. And the next one is a triangle. So triangle has three sides. Okay, so and also we can have three corners, or you can see three vertices. And also there are more properties or special characters we can find from a triangle. Okay, so those properties will come on the video. So I hope you understood the special characters or the properties that we found from these 2D shapes. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you all. Stay connected. Bye.